First of all, my scalp is really screaming, and I didn't get any sleep last night. But I'm hoping and I'm praying. I already prayed this morning, literally, that this hair comes out right. We gonna see, y'all.
Soldier boy, tell. Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me?
Okay, y'all, so this is day 2 Vlogmas. I wanted to show you guys a Christmas hairstyle you can do. So I chose to do Bantu knots, which I do not usually do. But anyways, so I twisted it the way that you're seeing. But long story short, when I took them out, it looked promising. But yeah, you'll see what's next. So now that all of them are unraveled, it's time to separate. And I usually separate by untwisting the root. So it kind of, you'll find natural separation at the root. But for some reason, this time, no matter how smoothly I tried to twist it, every single Bantu knot had like hair strands tangled around it. So just like this, there was absolutely no way for me to get a clean, frizzless separation. Like, I've definitely had a difficult time just separating it to begin with. So I'm gonna let you see the whole struggle of this one, but this is literally how the rest of them went. Here's what it was looking like as I was separating it. Super frizzy ends and just really kind of like sticking together. It just was not it. So yeah, at this point I was getting frustrated. I realized this was not a successful Bantu knot out, and I was gonna have to figure out what to do with my hair following this. So I'm gonna show y'all that process because I was determined to make the style work. So we'll see what I do with it. Jesus help me. Okay, so at this point, I'm tired, you know. Moral of the story, don't try nothing new for Christmas. Stick to what you know. Thank God that I ain't got nothing I really need to go to today. I just wanted to record this style. So I had time to try it. Don't be trying nothing new, I mean, unless you want to risk this. But you know what I'll be doing for Christmas, a twist out. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Trust me, I'm a lot more successful with my styles because I usually play it safe. Like the video down below, and I'm going to see y'all tomorrow in my next video.